see how the turn signal works. When I turn on the turn signal, people from